Hello everyone, this is lesson number 28, HSK free, um, part part 10 in your books. And the first word for today is 历史, history, 历史. I like studying history. 我喜欢学历史. 我喜欢 I like 学 to study 历史 history. 我喜欢学历史。Next one. History is very important. 历史很重要，重要。历史 history 很 is very 重要。这个重 but you read it 重要，重要。历史很重要。He understands Chinese history. 他了解中国历史。他了解 he understand 了解 so it's not understand he very well in this his knowledge is very big in this area. 他了解中国 Chinese 历史 history. 他了解中国历史 you understand Chinese history. Next one. 体育 sports physical education. 体育这个 with a 这个 body 育 it's like training. 体育 I take part in the sport class. 我参加体育课。I 参加 to take participate in something or participate to take a part. 体育 sports 课 class. So 我参加体育课。I participate. 我参加 I take part. 体育 sports physical education 课 class. So sports class 体育课。我参加体育课。Sports keep me healthy. 体育让我健康。体育让我健康。So sports 让我让 here is keep or makes me or calls me 让我 keep me 健康 healthy 健康。体育让我健康。Sports keep me healthy. He really likes sports. 他很喜欢体育。他很喜欢 he really likes 很喜欢 very like but you cannot say like this really like 体育 sport. 他很喜欢体育。Next one. 鸽子 hate 鸽子 not 鸽子这个 yes 鸽子 hate. He's very tall. 他个子很高。His height is very tall, is very high. So you can say he's very tall. 他个子很高。I'm shorter than him. 我个子比他矮。So 我个子 my height 比他 than his it's short. So I'm shorter than him. 我个子比他矮。Or you just can you also can say 我比他矮 but also you can say 我个子比他矮。 She is not fed in hate built. What? 她个子不胖。She is not fed in hate. Hmm. What does it mean? 她个子不胖 not fat. 她个子 I think it's not so. It's a bit 奇怪. Let's see next one. 车站 bus stop, railway station. 车 is a car, 站 is a station or stop. 车站 it could be bus stop if it's not specified. For example, 公共汽车站 or 公交车站. Or could be railway station. It's not if 火车站 or 车站. I wait for him at the station. 我在车站等他. I'm at 车站 station. 等他 wait him. 等他 as you can see, here is not clearly you can understand what bus stop or railway station, but I think in context, of course, you will understand. 我在车站等他. The station is far from my house. 车站离我家很远。车站 station 离 from so station from 我家 from my home 我家很远 very far away 很远 very far 车站离我家很远。Next one. The area near the station is very convenient. 车站附近很方便。车站 station 附近 it's near something 附近。车站附近很方便 very convenient 方便 but it's not so clear what does it mean. Mostly they speak like 车站住在车站附近很方便 so live in the air near the station is very convenient. But what does it mean? It's not so. 车站附近很方便 but just for learning purpose maybe okay. Next one. 数学 math mathematics math. 数 it's numbers. 学 is study so 数学 math. Math is very difficult for me. 数学对我很难。数学 math 对我 for me 对我 towards me or regard me 对我很难 very difficult 很难。数学对我很难。Next one. He teaches math in class. 他在班上教数学。he is at 班上。I think 在 work together with 上 so 他在班上 so in the class 教 he teach 数学 math so 他在班上教数学 he is the class teaches math so 教数学。Next one. I'm interested in math. 我对数学 感兴趣。我对 I'm regarding math or in the math。我对数学 in the math。感 feel 兴趣 interest or 感兴趣 interested I'm interested in something。我对数学感兴趣。I have interested towards math. You can say. Next one. 自行车 the it's by yourself. 行 is to move. 车 it's a car. So 自行车 it's a bike or bicycle. I ride a bicycle to the station. 我骑自行车去车站。这个骑 represent ride. For example, ride on a horse. As you can see on the left of the chapter, there is a horse. I ride on a horse. I ride on bicycle. So any transport when you're on the top, not car but bicycle or motorbike. 摩托车也是这个骑。我骑自行车去车站。I ride on this 自行车 on a bike to go to 车站 station. So 我骑自行车去 to go to 车站 to the station. 自行车很便宜。自行车 the bicycle and is very 便宜。便宜 is cheap. 便宜。自行车很便宜。So, the bicycle is very cheap. 便宜。He exchanged his old bicycle. 他还了旧自行车。He exchanged 换 is to change something. For example, change money, change clothes, or change bicycle. 他还了 he exchanged. Not change, exchange. 对对 because change it's 改变变。换 is exchange something. Oh no. 他还了一个 also change 也可以 but not change for example change myself but change something for something like this. For example, I change this TV for his PC something. 他还了旧 old 自行车 he exchanged his old one. So 他还了旧 here is old but not for people only for stuff. 他还了旧自行车 bicycle. And last one for today is I short or low. I'm very short. 我个子很矮。我个子 my height 很矮 very short. 很矮。我个子很矮。This house is a bit low. 这个房子有点矮。这个 this one 房子 house or apartment 这个房子有点 has a bit 有点 is a bit has a bit has a little of I low. So 这个房子有点矮。A bit low. And last one, he is a little shorter than me. Shorter. 他比我矮一点。他比我 he than me. 他比我矮 short 一点 a bit. So 他比我矮一点。He than me 矮 lower 一点 a bit. So 他比我矮一点。Let's repeat what we learned today. 历史 history 历史，体育 sports physical education， 鸽子 hate， 车站 bus stop or railway station 车站，数学麻烦，自行车 bicycle， 矮 short or low. So we have one new idiom for today. 不慌不忙。This one. 不闻不问。Be careful. Here is 不闻不问。When it's hear something, when it's to ask, pay no attention or ignore completely. So he doesn't even hear or he doesn't even ask anything. 不闻不闻不问。He pays no attention to his friends. 他对朋友不闻不问。He is 对朋友 for friends 对朋友不闻不问。Not hear, not listening, not answer, not asking something. 不闻不问不闻不问。哦啊，不闻不问。Okay, so that's all for today. See you tomorrow.